Yes, Wiener, yes, 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 oh yeah. Fuck, my favorite mod. God, fuck, where's my testicles out of town? Oh.
Wait, uh-oh. I chose the wrong dangling file. Whoa, silly me, little wiener. Wiener. Don't forget. Hook it up, wiener.
Oh yeah, I'm trying to think that wiener fucking file. Oh yeah. Wiener. What the fuck is these weird camera tilts? Jesus Christ! They're terrible! Purgatory! Oh, I don't like that. Oh my god. Sigh.
This mod is just wiener stuffed wiener butthole too. God. You're kidding me. Can't even get this room right? Oh my fucking god. Dude. It's not that hard. Fuck. Ugh. These controls are fucking clagged. Oh my god. Hey, fuck you, little wiener. Ooh, wiener pineapple.
That's a disgusting fucking topping to put on pizza! Ugh.
Hey, little wiener out of 3. Oh, God, my teeth.
Pineapple!
Oh, look at this John blocks.
Oh, you're out! Ugh, I got hurt.
That's terrible. You never get hurt in games. Makes your wiener loose sore.
Fuck you, little wiener!
Let me super taunt.
Jesus Christ, my fucking ears! Oh, God! Lightning McQueen is a basic tower character. God! This mod makes no sense and isn't funny in the slightest. Jesus Christ! What is with these reaction images too? It's like the most ironic, fucking hyper-ironic thing I've ever seen. People need to just laugh at Amori memes, because like they're the funniest things on earth. Right, guys? Right, Reddit Nation? Fuck. What the fuck is that thing? Ew. He has a cock. I hate penises. Wait, no, I'm actually Voipol. I like grooming minors, so that's like a plus. One plus about this fucking mod. The only one. Fucking sigh. Who's the fucking faggot who fucking recorded voices for this fucking escape scene? They're a retard. And they're twisted like that wiener combo over there. These mock sounds are wiener horrendous! Esther's Quest, it's like a fucking Claggett game. Oh my god. What did this game call me? Oh my god! How dare you say that to me? Only I can twinkle my fucking dingle hairs in my fucking slap mod. What is with this online thing at the wiener left corner? Reminds me of my shitty mod. Oh, they can't even fix this room when you're in the escape. Oh my god. How are they so wiener dumb? And I lost my wiener flambo. Because this crappy room. Ugh.
totally unbelievable. Wiener bracket? But why would someone ever say that? Are you fucking kidding me? That's not even a real word to say. Fuck! 3 spaces too? Is that fucking please, mate? Oh my god. It's like from that one guy who made those 2 mods I fucking didn't like. Scout Dingish, oh that's a guy I don't like. And fucking Stuffed Crust, that's why I like Pizza Tower Meta. This makes my wiener swell in anger. Oh god. Let's check out like the pause menu and shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Control? And there's no control options. You can't put on the wiener speedometer and shit. God. The people who made this mod, I want them dead. I want their wieners hanged outside for everyone to see. Their wieners deserve to sweat and soak in the sun because they are stinky and like wet and faggot. Only a frock kisser like me would want something like that to happen to them. I don't know what I'm wiener saying anymore. This mod makes me so angry. God! It controls wiener stiff. It makes me want to sniff. I can't fucking play a single minute without fucking getting a wiener headache. The fucking camera movements and everything. I can't wait till the wiener update happens and the noise control's even worse. This night transmission gets stuck on the slopes. What is this? Internship? Are you shitting me? What were they thinking? Oh my goodness, wiener gracious. Is that the April baths? Wiener! And the April wiener combo. How do you make such a sloptastic wiener dingus kringish mod? What a faggot. I hope he dies. First he makes Teppy, then he makes wiener Squeeno. Even though it's the other way around. First he makes Teppy, then he makes wiener Squeeno, and fucking... It's like killing an orphanage. Why would he do that? Only a wiener high up. If I get hit one more wiener time, I'm ending this. No more. Such a shitty mod by shitty people. Fuck all these people. Fuck the guy who screenshotted Mario and made it a TikTok man. I'm looking at you, wiener Kendo and Fly the Flying. God. And every wiener composer who ever farted on this mod. I'm looking at you, Fun Gang. Ugh. You worked for my shitty mod and groomed miners just like me, but you got kicked off the team, cause you suck. Wiener Spunky, Wiener Tunky. Your name sounds like Giuseppe Wiener Teppy. And that's another thing I hate. Oh my god! Fuck! I'm so wiener worn out. How can you make such a bad mod? Worse than Pinolino, worse than Greg, and especially worse than Pine Oil. That's it.